Now, let's say that in the process of creating this invoice, we've come in here and we've added a part that we do not have in stock. So we know that we're going to have to order this particular item. And as a result, and we also know that we're ordering both of them from the same vendor. So in this case, they're both coming from Parts Unlimited. We also know that Parts Unlimited will drop ship to a customer. So the question is do we really want to ship one part out of here and then drop ship the other part from the supplier? Or do we want to pay shipping from the supplier to us and then we turn around and ship it to the customer? Or to speed everything up, would we rather go ahead and force an order on this particular item and then let the whole order go to the customer from the supplier, so nothing comes into us and it all goes out to the customer from the supplier itself? So to do a force order, there's a couple different ways to do it. One method is to when you're putting the items on the invoice, is to actually go in and tell the system that you want to force order the part. When you do that, it'll automatically go onto the invoice as a force order. Another way is to edit the part record and actually tell it that instead of selling this thing out of the miscellaneous bin, we want to actually sell it as a force order, which is going to tell the system that instead of getting this part from our stock, we're going to order it. And so now you see, even though we have 3 on hand, Lizzie has now converted that part into a force order part so that we have all of the items going to the supplier as a drop ship. So if we wanted to drop ship this item now, we're going to edit the header. We're going to select drop ship and close the header information. And now we have selected to drop ship this invoice to the customer directly from the supplier. So when we cash this out, there will be one purchase order for this customer from that supplier so that they know who to send it to.